Good morning. Today is Wednesday, May 20th. Let's see what we have on the planner today. For math, you're going to continue working with volume, but this time more of a focus on formulas, using formulas to find volume. There is a Nearpod in this folder for May 20th. And then you're going to need your student book, page 231, to show your understanding and upload that into Schoology. For reading, we are finishing Woods Runner today, so you will read and or listen to Woods Runner chapter 19 all the way through the epilogue. Congratulations. The skill lesson today is a continuation of theme, but this time we're going to add the thought or idea of inferring and quoting from the text, using that exact same strategy as we used yesterday with slime. So you're going to watch a video that I had created, check your work from yesterday, and then listen to the new learning about inferring and quoting. Then you're going to practice that slime strategy using grandmother's table. Make sure you upload your grandmother's table assignment. This again is your last week for writing in your real-time journal. Again, there's a click here where you can get some ideas if you're running out. Social studies, no new learning again this week. And for science today, your science is due. You are going to take today, tomorrow, or Friday to share out your project on Flipgrid. So what I'll have you do is complete the script for Simple Machines project. The script is very easy to read and understand, but I want you to make sure that that is all filled out first before you record your Flipgrid. And then your Flipgrid code is right here. Once you feel like you're ready and you've practiced, you can go ahead and upload record your performance or your share of your project. I want you to just take a look here at what that script looks like, because I think it's really important for you to have this script. So this is part of the requirement. What you'll do is you'll see, if you go to the Simple Machines folder, you'll see the script in there. And this script is going to help you so that you're able to read from this as you're talking onto Flipgrid and presenting. So it's just a simple, I created a blank. So you're going to go ahead and tell me what you created as your Simple Machines project. Then you're going to tell me, my simple machine is made out of blank. My simple machine will provide, this blank right here is your mechanical advantage. So make sure you explain what your mechanical advantage is here. One limitation or specific challenge that could be a problem is, I tested my model and noticed that I really liked, I struggled with, and one thing I would change about my project is. So then what you'll do is, once you have this filled out and you're feeling comfortable, I would practice, and then go ahead and do your Flipgrid presentation when you are ready. As far as face-to-face meetings, I am just going to have office hours open today from 10 to 11. I have a lot of meetings in the afternoon today, so I will be unable to meet in the afternoon, but please join me. I know I have had a couple of you Schoology message me, big long questions. It's just so much easier if you stop in during those office hours, and then we can go over those ideas in person. So again, unless I see you in my office, I will not see you today, but I look forward to seeing you on Thursday.